Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is another trigger that we have in the software called conditional. So if we go to the software, let's see, we have already done this this application where every with every second, okay, every second we change the object, the field of the object, that rectangle. Okay, so every second it would make this change. So what we can do now is to make a conditional trigger. This conditional trigger is value change. So when a value change or something, we can execute something. So, and this value change is also available in all script. So in this example, what I'm going to do is to create a variable called iVar. So every time this object changes the value, I will add 1 to that iVar value. And just to show you that it's different, I will add this object also into the screen. So screen, let's copy this one. So this one is going to be the change. So object variable iVar. Then I'm going to copy and paste it over here. And this one I'm going to reset it. Now I'm going to use graphic object because it's not just a variable, it's a graphic object, and then inside you should be able to see the object rectangle, fill color value. So these two must be different because this one goes to 0 to 10, if I'm not wrong, depending on what I've done. And this one will go to 0 to the number I want. So let's simulate this just to show you. So every time it changes, it will increment. Just to show you that it's different, as soon as this one's reached 9 or 10, this one will continue. Okay. So here you can see that every time I make the change, it will do something. Then you can use, for example, value change instead of an object. If you don't know, here you can define which are the different values that can be assigned over here. So if value change, for example, I have the variable bool, okay. If that one change, doesn't matter for 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, it will do something. So values variable, then I will move this value to 0. Set. Yeah. On the screen, what I'm going to do is to toggle switch, and this one will be linked to that bool variable. So every time I change this, it will change the object. It will go to 0. Okay. So if I click this one, go to 0, doesn't do anything until I click it again. Tick, it will go to 0 because it's when value change. So I assign a variable there, and when I see a change over there, it can execute something. And then I will trigger once again, trigger again, trigger again, trigger again. Okay, so this is how we can use this value change as a trigger in Operator Terminal Expert. So this is how we can add a different trigger level here using a specific condition when a value change. We have already seen how we can use a periodic one, how we can see touch, okay, when touch, when we have a period, and then when we have a value change. Okay, so those are the easiest one to start working with the Operator Terminal Expert. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.